The DJI Mini 3 drone is a lightweight and compact drone weighing less than 249 grams, making it ideal for outdoor adventures such as hiking, road trips, and beach days. The drone offers an extended flight time of up to 51 minutes when used with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, although this will increase the weight of the aircraft beyond 249 grams. With the ability to film in 4K HDR video, the DJI Mini 3 provides crystal-clear aerial shots, capturing details in both highlights and shadows, regardless of the time of day. The drone features true vertical shooting, allowing for the easy capture of tall landmarks and providing content in the perfect orientation for social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok. The DJI Mini 3 is resistant to winds up to 38 kilometers per hour, ensuring stable flight and the ability to capture your shot even in less than ideal weather conditions. The drone includes the new DJI RC, which comes with the DJI Fly App pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for clear viewing even in direct sunlight.